Essay on Causes, Effects and Prevention of Coronavirus. Introduction. Coronavirus is a disease officially named COVID-19 caused by the coronavirus family of viruses. Coronaviruses are not new to scientists and doctors, but this particular strain of coronavirus family, which is responsible for COVID-19, is discovered for the first time. Effects of COVID-19 on anatomy of a patient. COVID-19 is usually a respiratory disease that in final stages affects the lungs, making it difficult for the patient to breathe air, ultimately resulting in death. Initial symptoms developing during 4 to 10 days of the infection include symptoms of normal flu like fever, nausea, body pain, cough, sore throat, etc. As the infection spread to other parts of the body, the symptoms become more severe. When the infection reaches the lungs, it covers the lungs with patches of a proteinaceous secretion that prevents the function of the lungs. The patients find it difficult to breathe, ultimately leading to demise. Preventing COVID-19. COVID-19 can be prevented from getting transmitted from person to person by adopting very basic rules for socializing and personal hygiene. The best way to avoid the spread of disease is to socially quarantine yourself so that you don't get infected, either act as a carrier to someone else. Washing hands regularly with soap and avoid touching your mouth, eyes and nose will prevent you from getting infected. Conclusion. COVID-19 is something new for the world medical community and there is no cure for it as of now. The best policy to fight the epidemic is to put you as well the infected person in social isolation. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.